Hello, my name is André Matos. I'm a software engineering director at Questrade. One skill that is crucial for a software engineer to develop is be able to see a large problem and break it down into smaller chunks. To balance speed of software development with quality and reliability is the piece of software engineering that's more art than software engineering. So we have, for instance, definition of done that would define when a task is actually done. So done may have a different meaning for different people, but we know that for a task to be done, it would need to pass peer review. It would be a unit test. If we're on a short deadline, that DOD or definition of done is what helps us guarantee that we're not dropping the bar. But a theme that is across all these successful projects is collaboration. My team has delivered plenty of successful projects recently. I'm very proud of it. So these amazing engineers on my team, when they collaborate, that's when we see complex tasks being solved in ways you would never imagine. If you want to pursue a career in software engineering, I would say you need to get started. That first step is the hardest, but it's like starting anything. If you want to start going to the gym, first step is go to the gym. If you want to start building software, first step is build software. It's going to be hard, but you're going to learn a lot from it. Being able to experiment with the many aspects of that project you're building yourself will give you more clarity on which areas of software engineering you enjoy more. And that's a cue for where to spend more time and maybe specialize and then go deeper. So if you're passionate about software engineering, software development, and you want to be in the financial world, come shape your future with Questrade.